In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the game Dragon Pirate Yakuza in Hawaii. If you buy games at Steam, it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones. Plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to find this game without overspending and keeping your PC safe. So for the first step, open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, we need to locate this game first on Steam. So go to Steam and there we will search for this game before we can proceed to another website. So search for the game Pirate Yakuza in Hawaii and you will find this game. Select it, after that scroll a little bit down and now you'll see there is a free demo available before you are going to download this game. So if you would like to try it out first, just download the demo and try it out. After that you will see that this game on Steam is quite expensive, €59.99. But don't worry, we got the workaround. Now what you need to do is open the link in the description where it says find game here, and you will be redirected to this website. And there are we going to search for the same game Dragon Pirate Yakuza in Hawaii. Once you have done that, go to the left side, select games, and after that sort by and then price lowest first. As you can see, this game is already available from €41.32. Also watch if it is activatable in your country. As you can see, it is marked green if you can activate this game in your country. So we will click on that, and as you see, the price is €41.32 instead of the price on Steam, €59.99. And this is how you save yourself a lot of money while downloading games on Steam. So what you need to do, purchase this game. Once you have done that, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps and an activation key to activate this game on Steam and download it through Steam, but much cheaper. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!